AI の利用のハードルはものすごく下がりました。
Rakuten Mobile offers Rakuten AI for Business, a GenAI service for corporations. Alongside this, AI training programs have started to be provided to support AI utilization in educational institutions. Schools have numerous tasks such as grading, proofreading, creating teaching materials, and preparing documents. Introducing AI is expected to streamline these tasks, allowing teachers more time to engage with students. So, what kind of training is actually being conducted?
The training including lectures on the basics of GenAI and information security for AI use, as well as hands-on workshops, in addition to basic trainings in AI literacy and prompt engineering. We also provided customized training tailored to each school's specific needs, such as programs for faculty and staff or for students.
On December 16th, 2025, AI training for teachers was conducted at Tokyo Seitoku University High School.
本講習ではですね、学校を取り巻くセキュリティリスクを現状理解し、万が一の際に適切な行動が取れるよう具体的な対処方法を学んでいければと思います。
お題3つ用意してます。この中から好きなお題ですね、これをちょっと作成してみていただきたい。
This initial training is a first step in AI utilization, which allows participants to experience it firsthand. Participants deepened their understanding of the risks associated with GenAI, such as sophisticated cyber attacks, learning fundamental knowledge for secure use. Following this, a workshop was held, simulating AI use in educational settings. Participants explored Rakuten AI, engaging in exercises such as document creation and organizing information. Let's hear from a teacher who attended the training.
自分の中でその正解か不正解かっていうのがわからないので、あまりいい印象ではなかったです。今この研修を受けた後は今後どういうふうに使っていけばいいのかなっていうのを自分の中で整理できたので、ハードルはものすごく下がりました。英語の教員をしているので、たまに英作文としてエッセイを書かせたりするんですけど、その添削がものすごい時間がかかるので、一度 AI を通して添削することができたら、自分の時間をもう少し授業の案を練ったりする時間に回せるのかなっていうふうに考えております。
Why was Rakuten AI for Business chosen as a partner for AI education? We asked the teacher who planned the training.
最新の情報を知っておかないとうまくは使えないなと。通信事業者を選んでいるっていうのはやっぱり最新の情報を正確に持っている。どんどん新しいものになっていくときに継続して研修をかけてもらえる事業体が必要だと判断したって感じですね。
As AI adoption is cautiously debated, educators are engaging with AI themselves first to explore its applications.
やっぱり大人がまずちゃんと使っている、使ったことがある、使った経験があるってことを下地にして、子どもたちにここは使うのはやめようとか、あるいは子どもたち自身にここは使った方がいいのかどうかを判断させられるような学校になれたら、それが本当に使っている、新しいものを受け入れている学校なんだろうというふうに考えています。
Finally, we asked Rakuten's training representative about future prospects.
In education setting, it's not enough for teachers to simply become proficient users. Educators need to teach students how to use and engage with AI. Our aim is to support teachers in improving the work efficiency and provide a secure environment for AI use in schools with all the functions essential to education. This means helping teachers share their AI expanding with students, supporting students in acquiring necessary AI knowledge for society, and expanding this knowledge to other education institutions.